Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel, Fit 550. Thank you all so much for joining me, and now that you're joining me, and if you're not yet, subscribe to my channel, you guys. And if you like what I'm doing here on my channel, please do consider becoming a part of my YouTube family by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember, guys, to give my videos a like and a share, and also remember to comment, because that lets YouTube know that you are in fact enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around. So guys, question for you: what snacks do you absolutely love that you know is totally against the diet that you're on, whether it be keto or low carb? That's up, you guys. I'll be the first. Is these barbecue chips, you guys. OMG, these are amazing, okay? And what I really love about them is that sauce on these chips is not so much the chips, but the sauce on these chips is right down my alley. And you know that phrase that they came up with years ago, I bet you just can't eat one? Yeah, I would have lost that bet, you guys, because this is it for me. So I decided that I am going to try and come up with a healthy alternative that will keep me low carb, keto friendly, but yet focused and satisfied. So I thought to myself, what can I do to accomplish that? And again, because it's the sauce that I love so much, I thought, why not take these low carb tortilla shells, okay, fry them up, and then sprinkle some of this sauce on it. So here I've got some ground up Parmesan cheese, and here I've got a fries seasoning that I got from Amazon. It's flame grilled barbecue, you guys. So if you want to learn how to put these together, stick with me, and we are going to do exactly that. So as you can see, I've already gone a few steps ahead by putting together these chips. I have not yet fried them, but if you've not yet seen my video on how to put these together, you guys, I will leave that in the card above. But basically, you need, 4 ingredients? You need the almond flour, xanthan gum, an egg, some salt, and 1 tablespoon of water. That is all you need to put these together. And again, I've already done exactly that. Put them in the microwave and form them. And then in a minute, we're going to go over to the stove so that we can fry them up. And then we're going to toss some of this seasoning on them. So you guys, let's go on over to the stove so we can fry up these chips. I'll see you there. All right, everyone, we are at the stove. We're going to go ahead and put these chips in and fry them up a bit to get them a little bit more brown and crispy. All right, guys, these are ready. I'm going to take them out. Some of this oil can drain. And by the way, this is avocado oil that I am cooking these in. Separate them so that when we put the seasoning on it, each one will be well coated. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you how I am going to do that. While they are still warm. Okay. I'm going to take some of this mixture. Okay, flip them over, and then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. All right, you guys. I'll let these sit and make sure that this sticks. And it is so far. That looks amazing. Okay, let me make some more. And I'm gonna complete frying these up and then coating them with this sauce. And then you guys, we are going to give them a taste. And here we have it, you guys. Homemade, barbecue flavored, low carb, keto friendly tortilla chips. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. So you guys, only thing left to do is to give them a try. All right, everyone. It's time to give these a taste. And when I tell you I am super excited about this, that's an understatement. Lord, I thank you. You guys, I found my barbecue. Oh my goodness. That's it. Absolutely delicious, you guys. One thing I will tell you though is that I could not use the Parmesan cheese because it was too wet, so I did not sprinkle the way that I needed it to sprinkle. But no worries, okay? This, again, this is Chef's Fun Foods Fried Seasoning Flame Grilled Barbecue. And what I did is to make it a little bit more smoky, I put some of this smoked paprika in this and blended it together, and this is from Penzey. So I will leave the link for this as well. You guys, when you talk about a phenomenal barbecue flavor, absolutely delicious. So now when they say, I bet you can't eat just one, you know what? I'm gonna say you're absolutely right, but no worries, I'm good. Because this absolutely does it. And it's low carb and it's keto friendly. Guys, give this a try. Please do leave your comments and let everyone know that you did and just how delicious these actually are. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, like, all that good stuff to let YouTube know that you appreciate this content so that they will continue to spread it around. And you guys, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special by finding and making delicious, keto-friendly, low-carb recipes such as this so that you can still snack and feel good about it. Until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thanks again, you guys, and enjoy. Oh my God, so good.